Well, hello everyone. This is Randy Allen from Engraving Concepts out of Texas. We have some new exciting things happening with our industry and software, and so I just wanted to make a quick video. I'll try and keep it short, but I'm not sure. It may turn into 5 to 10 minutes, hopefully, or longer. Hopefully not too long. But I wanted to just make a quick video that'll show some things that are happening on our end and what's going on with the software side of things and hardware side of things. So right off the bat, here's our website, engravingconcepts.com, and just a quick review for those that don't know us. We're a distributorship for several pieces of equipment and laser engravers and some mechanical engravers, and we've got our products under our product line here, and we can see several of those in line. Of course, Epilog, our flagship CO2 and fiber laser systems. We have events. Some of you don't know about our events. We have clinics and classes every calendar month. We have offices, showrooms in Arlington, in between Dallas and Fort Worth, and also down in Houston. So just wanted to make a quick video to introduce some new things that are happening. So this is our engravingconcepts.com website, and I'm going to scoot over to Epilog, and so at epiloglaser.com. Epilog's dealership from basically Albuquerque over to New Orleans, including Hawaii. So here's Epilog's new site. Some of you that haven't visited the Epilog site recently will see quite a bit of change in the design. And one of the new systems that they are releasing that we showed off in the APA show in Las Vegas was the new Fusion Pro. So this system is going to replace the previous generation Fusion M2. And just to clarify, some folks out in the marketplace get this a little confused. Fusion is simply the model name, and in the Fusion system you can purchase the system as a CO2 laser, or you can purchase it as a fiber laser, or both. So it is going to be available in a dual source system, but it has some really new exciting features. I'm going to hold off on going into those, and you can click on this Discover the Fusion Pro system here, and it'll show you some things and specs. And I suspect that there will be a lot more information coming on the system as they update the brochure and tech specs and really get some new information out in the field. Really exciting things going on with cameras and our new covered up XY axis carriage and the way the machine focuses and artwork and manager and memory. So all of those things are coming new, and so that's what's new on the Epilog front. We at Engraving Concepts also have brought on a couple of systems in our product line, Tykma Electrox being one. Tykma Electrox offers a galvo-steered fiber laser system, and feel free to give us a call or email and let us know if you have any questions or needs for equipment on galvo-steered fiber lasers, and we'd be glad to go over the differences with you on what that means as far as galvo versus a gantry style unit. The galvo fiber lasers more are marketed to the industrial deep engraving, firearms, oil and gas, medical, so many of those applications. Certainly doesn't replace a fiber gantry such as the Epilog FiberMark, but just adds to the product line and different speeds and features that it has. Also in our product line, we are looking at Kern laser, and it's not in our website just yet, but we'll be bringing forth the Kern laser system as we ramp up for that. And we also have some fume extraction units available. We have some pre-owned, our events calendar, so feel free to reach out to us. Let us know if you have any questions. I'm going to open up another tab and go to our Kern laser. And so we have some opportunities with Kern to offer large format open bed lasers in the 150 to 400 watt range to cut really thick acrylic, really thick plywood, but also new to our industry somewhat is the ability to cut through metal. So many of you over the years have asked, do you sell a laser that cuts through metal? Well, now we can provide that unit to you. They are large formats, so a completely different type of market, but we feel like many of you can take advantage of these new systems, whether it be the Tecma Electrox, galvo-steered fiber lasers, or continuing with the new stuff Epilog has, and also the Kern laser systems for large format. So we're super excited about the things that we've got going on at our company, but also things that are happening new, not only with Epilog, Tecma, and Kern, but also with CorelDRAW. Some of you may not have heard, but CorelDRAW, if we go to Corel.com, they have launched, as of just a couple of days ago, CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2019. So some of you have been using X6, which is 16, and X7, 17, X8, 18. And then for the version 19, they called the program CorelDRAW 2018. That's been out a couple of years, but now we have version 20, which is going to be CorelDRAW Graphics Suite 2019. And I haven't really dove much into the new differences or features. We're going to look at some of those, but for the context of this video, what's really exciting to a lot of us that have been asking for something for quite a long time, and if you didn't already catch it, CorelDRAW.com is offering CorelDRAW Graphics Suite on Windows and a Mac. That is super new, super big news for the graphics world and those with lasers and illustration users and designers, Windows or a Mac. So we'll talk about some of those differences, and there'll be a lot to learn more than just this video offers, but I just wanted to give a brief introduction into those things. So I wanted to offer the opportunity to look at a new version. I installed it last night for the first time, downloaded and installed it from their web as a trial version. So I'm going to minimize this screen. And so just a quick agenda, we're going to look at opening up CorelDRAW on my MacBook Air. I have a solid state drive, and we'll take a look at the system requirements here in a moment. Let's look at the differences between the new CorelDRAW on a Mac and CorelDRAW on Windows. And again, we're not going to go deep, but this is just a quick, brief introduction to let you know what CorelDRAW is offering, and then we can dive into the tools in future videos. When I opened it up, I was looking for the first few fundamentals of things, such as what does the workspace look like? Are the tools going to be the same? Are there going to be tools that were in Windows but not on the Mac? Will the hotkeys work on the Mac? Hopefully, maybe some of you are asking these same questions. How to create a new page? Will that basic fundamental feature be the same, or will it change? Will there be any changes to text creation or text editing? Are there any changes to an object or creation of an object or editing? Will we be able to import the same? What will that look like? How about Corel Trace? Will Corel Trace be available in the new Mac version? We'll take a look at that. And then printing a job. How will that look? Any differences there between the Windows and the Mac side? Print preview screen. If you've been to any of our classes or our training on our YouTube channel and our videos, we really stress the education of learning CorelDRAW's print preview screen, along with here listed the imposition tool, and then the very powerful print merge. So that's all I hope to really just get a brief look at, and hopefully not take too long on this video. So I'm going to break for now, and we'll lean into CorelDRAW 2019 in just a moment.